Hey guys, it's me, Ron Williams. We are close to the summer shred now. This is number 10. But I want you to know something. Even though this is number 10 and this is a great time to talk about preparation because that's number 10. The reason why this is number 10 is because I didn't just want you to prepare for this summer shred. That was so temporary, guys. I want you to prepare for life. I want you to prepare for life. What you've done in this time frame, those of you that have followed through, I'm going to show some of your pictures as you send them in. You've done a great job in going from where you were to where you are right now. And for the reveal, that's going to be awesome. But it's preparing for life that's really important. That really is part of what this YouTube channel is about, is to help you build the body you want now and realizing that, that you're not just a physical body. There's so much more to you. There's faith, family, fitness, finances. Those are the 4 areas that I concentrate on. And you can not just be a champion in your body, but you can be a champion in every area of your life. And so in preparation, this is what I want to say. If you don't prepare, expect to fail. If you don't prepare, expect to fail. If you go through the day without having your foods prepared, that's where we get hung up. We're driving down the street, we ate breakfast, now it's time for our second meal. What do? I mean, I've got McDonald's over here, I've got Wendy's over here, you know, I've got Jamba Juice over here. Which one is the best selection? Jamba Juice is probably better because you can get a little protein in that. If you don't know what Jamba Juice is, it's a place where you can get protein mixed with your fruit and vegetables and drink it. But you know, that may not be the best choice for you. But if you have your foods prepared, you've got food in the car with you, you've got food on your job, you're prepared for those times when you can't get out of traffic. You're prepared for those times when you're in the airport. You're prepared. Not just with your eating, but you've prepared, you've got an appointment with yourself to work out. You've got an appointment. How does that work in everyday life? Where I want to prepare to have a great marriage. How do I do that? I write down some things that I need to do to be a good husband. I write down some things that I need that's going to strengthen me in my faith. I write down some things that I need to do with my finances. I write those things down, and writing them down is really, it really means nothing if I'm not going to implement those things that I write down. I've got to have a pattern, and I've got to have a plan, and then I've got to execute that plan. If you don't execute the plan, there's no use in even having a plan. So guys, I want you to prepare, not just for this shred, but prepare for life. What do you want in life? What do you want to accomplish? You know, some of us, we have bucket lists. How are we going to start checking those things off of that bucket list? We've got to prepare. I'm going to go to Paris. Well, how am I going to go to Paris? How much does it cost to go to Paris? When do I intend to go to Paris? How much money do I have right now, and will I have by the time I want to go to Paris? Now, how am I going to accomplish that? And then write down a plan and back into it. And then walk it out. If you don't plan, guys, expect to fail. You only live the life of a dream. The problem with that is dreams are awesome, but dreams are for sleepers. It's time to wake up and make those dreams a reality. I love dreams. Dreams make you feel good about the future. But I want some of those things to come to pass today. So I always say this. I'm living in what I did yesterday. So whatever seeds I planted yesterday, I'm reaping the harvest of that today. And what I plant today, I'm going to reap the harvest of that in the future. So for you, whatever we're planning today, we're planning, we're visualizing, we're preparing for, we're premeditating for our future. That's what I want you to do. God bless you until next time.